We had a great year in 2018 doing our bat house workshops all over the state of Georgia and some in Alabama. I'd like to thank the Georgia DNR for helping us out, and also we had a turn grant come through in 2018. This is one of the workshops that we did at Brasstown Bald in Georgia. It was one of the more populated ones that we had. We actually did several workshops the same day. And Georgia DNR also showed up to do a presentation about bats that you'll see just a little piece of here at the beginning. But we truly do enjoy doing our bat house workshops, and for those that have attended, thank you. For those that haven't, hit our website and check us out, habitatforbats.org, and see where a workshop is near you.
Hey, Robert.
Hey.
How you doing?
Doing good.
Welcome to the BAT program. My name is Krista. I am Assistant Site Manager here at Brasstown Bald. I also coordinate our education programs.
Really appreciate it, and I'm very excited to have the bat house building workshop happening too. How many of you are building bat houses today? Awesome. That's really exciting. I think that I've had so much recent interest in building bat houses. It's great to have Habitat for Bats in Georgia to help us do these workshops. We don't have the staff to have people helping everyone build bat houses, and so it's really nice to be able to do this. And we're going to have other workshops around the state, so be on the lookout for that. That's usually posted on DNR's Facebook and places like that. So I'm going to try to give you a lot of information today. Hopefully you'll learn some new stuff, and maybe so we have 16 different species of bats in Georgia. A lot of people don't realize we have that many. That's pretty diverse for the East Coast. And we have a lot of different bats with different names. We have these posters available up here. You're welcome to one. They were made by Georgia Power. They helped us to print them. So they're really neat. And on the back there's a little range map to show you where the bats live. All of our bats in Georgia eat insects. That's what they do. They eat exclusively insects, and they do a really good job at eating a lot of insects.
Introduction, so you don't have to listen. Now, this workshop was held outdoors because the weather was beautiful, so we threw up a couple of tents and got underway. We generally have about 10 seats in a workshop, and we start off with me giving a short presentation that can be between 20 to 30 minutes long. It really depends on the crowd that's there. If there's a lot of children, I tend to play more and have more fun with it. If it's an adults-only workshop, I try to keep all of the silly dad jokes out of it and make it go a little bit more seriously. And once the talk is over, we guide you step by step through the assembly of your bat house. Once the bat house is completed, I give another short talk. This time it's about what color to paint it, where to put it, how high to hang it, how to give it the best chance to attract bats, so on and so forth. Also, where to get poles and materials to hang it at. And then once all the workshops are over, of course, we have to wrap up and end the day and get ready to go home. Well, I hope you enjoyed this short video. I hope you'll like and subscribe to our channel. That always helps out, the more subscribers that we get. And if you see us in the area, make sure you come around and join one of our bat house workshops.